Okay, today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. Hybrid turbo install day. Let's go. Here we go. We're here at Case House Performance. We just made it. We're here with Matt. Got the car in the shop, about ready to get started on a turbo hybrid install. Matt, why don't you give yourself maybe a little introduction, let the people know what you do.
Yeah, definitely. So, kind of specializing in all things performance. I like anything that can go fast, whether it's Corvettes, supercharged Corvettes, or like, an Ultra 4 car, pretty much like trucks, Jeeps, cars. I could do it all pretty much. So just give me a call if you're not sure about what I can handle for you, and we'll talk about it.
All right, guys. So you heard him. Hit up Matt if you need anything performance-wise. He's got some super sick cars, and he's going to be a huge help today on the turbo hybrid install for the Fiesta. So let's get on it. All right. So this is what we're getting installed today. This car is going to come out of the shop feeling like a completely different car. So what we got here is our high-flow catted downpipe. We got a turbo inlet pipe, turbo elbow pipe. I'm not getting these exact names right, but don't hose me. We got our hybrid turbo from Puma Speed. We have the X47R going in, and we also have our Go Fast Bits blow-off valve / diverter valve / what is this thing called? What's the technical name? Blow-off valve. We got the Go Fast Bits blow-off valve going in. Not to mention the infamous rear motor mount for Mountoon. So we got a bunch of stuff going in this car. It's gonna feel completely different when we're done. We got our gaskets, and we got the car up on the lift right now. Matt's got a clear shot to the turbo. Here's the little guy right there.
The little guy.
So we're gonna get this thing taken out. We're gonna start cranking away at it, and I'll update you guys when we get this turbo down. Typical downpipe bolt giving us problems.
Oh, it's moving.
Heat might have done the trick.
Yeah, it's moving.
Heck yeah. I want to go.
To get all three out.
Get all three out.
If I snap it, definitely delete that.
Matt may be the only person ever to get these 3 downpipe bolts out without snapping them. We will see. First 2 out, the third one's coming out right now.
Yep, it's out.
No way. There she is. We're cutting the heat shield off so we can get the downpipe out.
Man, they make it work for it here.
Oh yeah, you got that. Oh yeah.
Da-da-da.
Oh heck yeah. Downpipe is off. One step closer to getting the hybrid in.
Oh, there goes the turbo.
There she is. All those vacuum hoses need to get swapped over, and
yeah,
new one goes back up in.
Yeah, this is your wastegate. This is your boost control solenoid. So this allows, so much PSI to travel through.
Right.
Blow off valve is electronic, so.
Right. So now we're swapping over these vacuum hoses for the blow-off valve, the turbo elbow, and wastegate and whatnot. So we got the boost solenoid coming off, swap it to the new one, go from there. So we don't only put the good stuff in our videos. I messed up. I bought the wrong diverter valve. This diverter valve is for a Mark V GTI. So I think we're gonna try to run it. The 3 holes don't line up. I think we're gonna try to run 2 of them for now, and hopefully we don't get a bunch of problems. And then once the new one comes in, we'll swap that out. All right. New turbo's going in. Look at that thing. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. So for now, we're gonna get the downpipe on, intercooler hoses, downpipe, and we're getting there, getting close. Gonna keep cracking away. before we put the new downpipe in. Let's see if we can get these O2 sensors off the old downpipe. Ooh!
Today's a day for miracles.
Let's go. This stuff works some wonders. And he's done it again, ladies and gentlemen. Check that out. 2 for 2 on the downpipe, and 3 for 3 on the
the exhaust
on the
bolts.
exhaust bolts. Oh heck yeah! Ooh.
We gotta put the resonator in next. And I just gotta bolt the subframe back in, and then the rest is from the top.
Heck yeah!
So.
Let's do it.
That's it.
All right, now the Mountoon rear motor mount's going in, and after that, we're gonna throw the intake back in, and we're gonna start buttoning this thing up. Oil's going in. Just did an oil change. We got to top off the coolant. Once the thing gets started up, we're about to do first start. We double checked everything. Everything's good. Yep. We're ready to go. Boom. First start. Here we go. All right, first startup was a success so far. It didn't blow up on us. Pretty stoked. And we're gonna button this thing back up. We gotta put the headlights in, put the cowl on, and the engine cover. I'm gonna get some GoPro clips for you guys driving home. Okay, before I go, Matt's gonna give me a little testament to what he can do here at his shop at Case House Performance. So we're gonna let this thing scream, and we're gonna get my reaction to this exhaust sound. Let it rip. I probably shouldn't stand this close, I'm gonna yell.
Yeah, don't stand there really long.
My ears are gonna...
Ready?
Yeah. Holy crap. That thing screams. Okay, that's it guys. We got the turbo installed today. Thanks to Matt's help. He was a huge help. Couldn't have done it without him, literally. Matt, where can they go to get your stuff, to reach out to you for any performance needs?
Right now, it's only Facebook, Case House Performance, and Instagram, Case House Performance. Kind of in the works about getting a website together, but you know, at this point in time, that's the only place right now.
Cool.
You can shoot me a message, email me, anything like that.
Well, the links will be down in the description to his Instagram and Facebook. Again, thank you so much. Couldn't have done it without you.
Indeed.
Yep. Congrats on the vet. This thing is sweet. You won an award for it.
Yeah.
Just 2 weeks ago. So guys, go hit him up. Tell him congratulations, and let's go get some GoPro driving clips of the new turbo.
Better than I do.
Can't get into boost, but you can hear a little bit of spool, and I'm getting super excited. I cannot wait to get on this car, but you can hear it a little bit. I don't know how well you guys can hear that. All right, listen up. Third. Holy crap, it's so loud. But guys, stay tuned. I'm super stoked. I cannot wait to show you what this car can do and how it sounds and how it feels and how it drives once I get the actual tune on it. So stay tuned for that. Cannot wait to show you guys how this thing can actually put boost down, and super excited to follow up with this turbo. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with the updates. Leave a like if you liked it, and let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Thanks guys.